Howdy, boys and girls. Welcome to Kilts Culture. I'm Rocky. That's Erik. Indeed. Today, special treat. Oh,
Don't.
doubly,
Careful,
triply special treat.
careful.
Yes, you gotta be very careful.
Please.
Our good friend Malcolm Brown gave us a bottle of the Temple Bar Irish whiskey, the Argentinian Bodegas Bianchi Malbec Cask. So that's the long name. Just Temple Bar Malbec Cask. Short version. This is supposed to be some really, really good stuff. At least it's some really, really expensive stuff. So we have some high hopes for this one. Indeed.
High hopes. We've got
High hopes. High in the sky hopes or something.
Tasting notes of apple pie and frying hopes. Yeah. I'm too tired to improv today, Rock.
Fair. All right.
Okay.
Mr. Max, since you're creeping up behind me.
I'm already here.
Oh, hi,
Creeping
Mac.
up like celery.
What the
Yeah, he's
hell, Paul
stalking.
Bunyan?
Exactly.
There you go. All right.
Where's Blue? Is she out here somewhere?
What do you have on today?
Oh, I've got the Rob Roy McGregor Ancient.
Rob, and with matching hat.
Matching hat.
Just because he's Mac.
Mm-hmm.
Indeed. Okay.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Wait, do you have an axe throwing event tonight or something?
I am throwing tonight.
Are you wearing that for your throwing event?
Probably.
Awesome. See, now it all makes sense.
Exactly.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. Erik, what do you have on today there?
I've got my favorite old one. This is the Philadelphia Police and Fire Tartan. It's
Very nice.
sort of holiday vibe, you know,
Yeah.
blues and reds and whites, you know.
Fair. I have on the Stewart Old Wilson's Bannockburn colors. Yes. It's my favorite, like, random, non-regular Stewart.
It is
So,
gorgeous.
yes, indeed.
and
Indeed.
and Casey did a good job. Did
Yes,
Casey
she
make that
did.
one for you?
Did Casey make it or Susie? Susie made it.
Susie did. My apologies.
Indeed, indeed. All right, so the I will also say a very sad occurrence yesterday. Shane McGowan from the Pogues passed away. So as we drink this Irish whiskey tonight, we also raise a glass to Shane McGowan. We normally smell a lot more than this before we jump right in, but
Well, you're caught up in the moment.
yeah, I know.
It's crappy news, that's for sure.
It was, yeah.
Yeah.
I won't say he was my biggest early influence in getting into Celtic music. I was more Dropkick Murphys and Flogging Molly and Real Mackenzie's kind of era. There's a band called the Rusty Nails from New York City. There's a few other ones. Was kind of my foray into it, but then I started getting into Shane McGowan's and the Pogues, specifically, and kind of went to the back catalog, as it were.
Yeah.
And it's the band that the bands I liked were influenced by, so I started digging under the hood and started to appreciate what he did for the entire scene, essentially.
Yeah, which was a lot.
Yep.
Let's just say,
Yeah.
a lot.
Indeed.
As in, started it kind of.
Yep. All right. So smelling it. What do we got for the nose there? I got a lot of wood.
Yeah.
Would it be toasty wood?
A little bit,
It's-
little bit leathery for me. Yeah, kind of almost a cedary kind of a wood. No, yeah, it's like
I get oak.
there's an acidic edge to it. that
Funny
makes me
you
think of-
mentioned that.
Yeah.
They're saying the nose is dry plum skin because we all
Oh yeah,
have
had that for
some
breakfast. What are you
dry
talking
plum skin, toasty wood, and ripe berries alongside green oak.
Yeah. It's kind of got that fresh cut tree,
Rotting
like-
fruit,
rotting fruit vibe.
pungent. It's a pungent note.
Yeah,
Let's
it's
put it that way.
it's a strong odor.
Very pungent.
Yeah. Let me swirl this a little bit. Let me try to open this up a touch.
Now I know if anybody out there has looked this up, since we're drinking it, and has found out what we found out about it
Oh yeah.
in
Yeah.
terms of what
Cost.
you can expect to pay for this.
Yes. This is about $28 worth of whiskey right here. Actually, probably more than that.
It's put in those terms.
Yeah. The it's essentially we every month we have all these bottles behind us that people give us to try on the show, and we try to go kind of in date order. So it was this one or one. There was two others that came in around the same time. We're like, okay, here's two scotches. Here's one of here's this one. Which one do we want to try? So as part of it, we try to look up the price because that should factor into the quality and the score that we give it. And my jaw hit the floor when I saw that this was a $300 bottle of scotch, or excuse me,
Whiskey.
Yes, this one's an Irish whiskey.
Arr?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. All right. Taste. What do we got?
Tastes like Malbec.
Mm.
No, it does. I mean, have you ever had a Malbec?
I can taste
do
the
you drink wine?
Argentinians.
Do you drink wine at all? Have you ever had a Malbec?
No,
Because
I
it
do
does.
not.
It does have a very wine vibe to it. It is very, very smooth. Extremely smooth.
It's got like it's peppery to me. Yeah.
Only a little bit.
See,
I know I'm on the right track when Max over there going.
I don't try to account for my taste buds. I know that my sensations for these things are off.
so they're saying the palate is a dusty cocoa and oak spice with a touch of milk chocolate and cranberry.
What? Well, I do get the fruit. I was gonna say apricot-y, but
Milk chocolate aftertaste. I'm getting it now.
I'm there with the
Yeah.
milk chocolate aftertaste. And then it says a finish, a dry spiced finish, and that's where I think that's where you said about the pepper. That's where I'm getting more of that, the very end there that gives a little bit of.
Now I open it up with a touch of water, so we'll see what happens. It is smooth. It is smooth.
the water took some of the sweetness away from me.
It took a little bit of the pepper away from me. Not a ton.
Why are we having such different reactions to this?
I don't know. Maybe I have a little bit of a cold. I'm getting the notes that they're telling me.
Well,
Yeah,
I
you're
know I've
hitting
had a
you're
bit
hitting a
of
lot of the marks that they're saying.
Congratulations. Yes.
Sure. Okay. What are you getting there, Mac? Anything else?
I'm along the same lines as you on most of this so far. So I'm also I can see
Yeah,
the
you're
notes,
cheating.
so
You
I'm
had
a
the
little
correct
bit.
notes.
As am I. Everything you said is exactly what I'm tasting.
Yes, indeed. I can taste the fresh cut oak and spices.
The cranberry, I have no idea on that. Like I'm getting nothing cranberry-esque in it.
Now, I don't get really any fruit, but I do get the
Well, I got a
milk
little bit of
chocolatey a little bit.
For me, it's coming out as
The fruit is in the
Apricot.
smell. I think in the beginning for
Yeah.
me, that's about the only time I'm noticing that.
okay.
Yeah, I'm getting a little bit more fruit now that I added a touch of water. A little bit less wood. I get that, I got more burny.
I'm broken. I'm clearly broken.
It's okay. We'll still allow you to have some of our $300 bottle of whiskey. Whew. I still can't believe someone gave us a $300 bottle of whiskey. This is crazy.
And remember,
Malcolm, thank you very much. You are an insane person.
there's only 1,000 of these bottles produced too.
I was not aware there's only 1,000 of these. It's even specialer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Even more specially.
The specialist is just. Okay, Mac, give me a score, 1 to 10. Where are we at on this? Did you add any water to it? Or
I did not.
Okay.
But I think where I'm at right now with it is, I think I'm like 7-9
Okay.
on it.
Okay. Strong score from Mac.
Mm-hmm.
Erik, where are you at? I know you're not tasting the notes that they are telling you you're supposed to know.
Maybe I'm fighting off a cold or something.
But where are we at as far as your personal enjoyment of this fine whiskey made by Temple Bar?
7.2.
7.2. Okay.
I don't honestly. It's not quite my thing. I'm still more of a Highland person. So it's very good, but it's not. I wouldn't spend $300 on it. I would gladly accept it as an offering at a party or something.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna factor in the $300 part because I was about to give it a 7.7 or a 7.8, but the $300 thing.
That means you're willing to buy it, right?
No, 8 is you drive somewhere.
8
to go
is you
get
drive
it.
somewhere to go get it. Okay.
Yeah. So I'll drop it to 7.4 due to the price considerations. It's better than that, but it should be better than it is for the price that it is.
For you, at least.
Yes, indeed, for me.
I'm
Yes.
glad it's subjective because if it's a quiz, I fail.
My opinion to me is the only opinion that matters to me, or something.
Okay.
It's circular logic. It's fine. Just go with it. It's fine. Okay.
Now Connor Fox, he says he bought it for €120 duty free in Dublin Airport.
Now, was that when it first came out?
That I don't know.
It's airport scotch.
Yeah.
I mean,
And is
whiskey.
it?
Sorry.
See, here's the thing. It says only 1,000 bottles done. So, I'm not calling shenanigans on our friend here, but 1,000 bottles seems pretty damn limited. So I'd be surprised if it made it to airports. Well, it's Dublin Airport, so okay. It's Temple Bar's in Dublin. They're probably right there. Maybe you got a few bottles. So good on you if you got it for that cheap. Congratulations. That's a very good price for this scotch or whiskey. Excuse me. All right.
It was October 2022
Okay.
when he got it. So
Okay.
it's been a little bit.
Yeah, we got this in June 24th of 2022.
I hate to say it, guys, but the aftertaste I'm getting, it reminds me of when I used to smoke a pipe and I get that burny aftertaste from smoking.
Did you water it at all or no?
I did.
Okay. I know what you mean. I know
feel
what
like
you mean.
I get
You
it,
know
but
what I mean?
for me it tapers off, and I get that milk chocolatey melt to it.
Yeah, I'm not getting that.
I know what you mean now. Like the water, I can taste the fact that this is watered down a little bit because I put a few more than a few drops in. But yeah, I still get that like burnt taste bud sensation.
Yeah.
Shall we say?
I feel like I was
after
smoking a hot pipe.
Yeah, like you get it a little bit like right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We just need a gif of Erik going.
Yeah, I'll do it for the game. Okay. Make us gifts, gentlemen.
Thank you guys for watching our videos. Remember, we actually have a real store. If you want to support our channel, go over to usakilts.com. We will kit you out to your heart's content with the finest in Highland wear.